sharing tools of hope with the Resilience Builders. So we got out on the bikes for the very first time in several months due to some health issues in our family. And I just wanted to share, I got a new shirt and I really like the shirt. I wanted to encourage you, right? It's, I don't know if you can read it. In a world full of 10s, be an 11. So I'm encouraging you to say you're the only one. You're the only one that can do what you were built to do. You're the only one that can light up your loved ones, your community, and your world the way that you do it. It's not about comparison to anybody else. It's not about comparison to what anybody else is doing or has or is or seems to be, because there's so many times when people put on a mask. So if you're comparing your inner world to their outer mask, it's not a fair comparison anyway, and you'll never know what's really going on inside of them. So the bottom line is you're built to be an 11. You're not built to be compared on a 1 to 10 scale. Or you're built to be compared what? To yourself, to your best self, to the person that you have not quite discovered yet. And I want to encourage you. Today is a day to get encouraged. Today is a day to get filled. And that's part of why we're out on the bikes today, pushing through some health stuff and just saying we just want to get out of the house for a little bit. And we found a place to kind of rest, and there's birds everywhere. So it's time. It's time to be an 11. In a world of 10s, it's time to be an 11, and it's about being yourself. This is Ana-Christina sharing tools of hope with 2-minute resilience. Talk to you soon. Bye.